What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lex C here, and today this is kind of like a off the top of my head thing. I was bored, but I didn't actually feel like doing work. I wanted to do something for fun. So today I am going to basically try to shoot me some new headshots for LinkedIn, and then just in general. So I really need to get me a nice shirt and then like a business casual shirt. So the inspo for today, I actually put it on the screen. I wanted to do curly hair headshots. My wash and go looks good, so I was like, why not? I also have a makeup look that I wanted to do. It's like a brown look, so it probably wouldn't be too much, but adding a little bit of extra to the lip. I don't know what the heck I'm wearing. I honestly truly do not know. I'm going to actually vlog on my phone because I don't feel like setting up my other bigger cameras, and this is my vlog camera, but I'm going to use this camera to actually shoot the makeup look for TikTok as well. So low-key I really could shoot it on my phone, but lately I've been liking shooting it on the camera also, so that I can go back and look at the look too. Plugged up my phone. Let me put my phone on my little handy dandy tripod. Lock it in. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my phone right now. Just really quick, I low-key wanted to show y'all my new little background I have for my recording setup. Don't mind the stuff on the side, you never can really see that, but I'm gonna set up. I have my vlog camera right here, so I'm gonna set this, take it off this tripod and put it on the other one so that I can just record the makeup look. Now, as for the camera, this is the setup here. It kind of sucks, you can't really, you can't really see it like that just because the lights are facing this way. But yeah, so this is, I have the vlog camera up there, and I'm gonna shoot the makeup look for TikTok there. But for the makeup, I need to get the proper palette for the look. So, no. These palettes are a little beat up, but they still get the job done, so chill on me. This is the one we're needing. I think we'll just stick with these two. And this is the work area for today. It's a little ghetto, but it gets the job done, period. Now, mind you, we're doing, ignore the boxes. We're doing all this mid-migraine. Like, I have a really bad migraine right now. But y'all know my pain tolerance is up there, so I'm just trying to ignore it while we work the magic. But I'm gonna go ahead and record the little intro for TikTok real quick. I really don't even have business casual clothes, but we're gonna make some shape with whatever I got anyway. So we're gonna tie up the hair first. We got the eyeshadow brushes. So my sunscreen usually consists of 3 products. My faded cream from Topicals. I'm not gonna put that on right now just because my face isn't like just freshly washed, but my cream is in the back. My background is really blowing me, but I'm too lazy to even get up to do it. I'm PMSing right now, and I just want to do something fun. So there's my cream. This is the, what is it? Ultra Repair Intense Hydration. And if y'all are currently watching any shows, please put me on because I don't watch any and everything under the sun. Now, this is the Innisfree sunscreen. I just like to put sunscreen on every day, most of the time today, all the time. Because it's been working wonders for my skin. So this is what I ended up with. I feel like I did a decent job. It might be too much for a headshot, but we'll see. I don't know how I want to wear my hair. So we have the middle part. This is what we're giving. Let me go find a shirt and see, because I'm not doing nothing from below the neck really. So let me see if I can find a shirt or something. All right, so I'm back. I have some options. We're obviously gonna do the businessy ones first. All right, so once I get it buttoned, you can see what the shirt is giving. I feel like the makeup's not too much. I feel like it's cute, it's decent. And let's see for the poses, something like that. I feel like that's given, so let me get the camera situated and then we're gonna take this picture. Like, the self timer is not self timing. Alright, so I feel like they low key coming out kind of blurry, but I can't really tell. So I'm gonna switch shirts. I know it's supposed to be springtime, but or summertime. But good enough for the neck. I feel like I hate them all, but we should see. It's like, should I try to take them on my phone? So I feel like the camera's not doing what I need it to do, and that's making me mad. It's supposed to be a camera, then what? Let me go get my adapter. We're gonna upload them into the iPad so you can see them for real. Alright, so we're gonna open her up to see if they are actually getting or not. Blurry. Wow. Let's see. Blurry. It could have been good. But they're all giving. Oh, that one's not blurry. That one's okay. That one's okay. I feel like it's blurry too. Like all the ones where I actually feel like I look probably decent are blurry. Like what the heck? Camera was not cameraing today. This one's not bad. I don't love it though. Let me see. Yeah, so all those is poo-poo. This one's alright. I hate all of them. But I think what's throwing me off though, I'm not gonna lie, is the like cat eye corners. Just because I don't normally do that kind of look. And I feel like that's what's throwing me off. I feel like that looks better. Like that looks so much better already. Let me put the camera back up, try again. Maybe I like it better with this look. Because I did not just sit here and do this for nothing. Like I swear it's gonna come out fire. And my camera got me out looking crazy. Like, be for real. Be so for real right now. You need to act right. No, I'm playing. It's like part of me, if the pictures don't work, I'm really about to do a video and pose and then just screenshot the video. Because I'm good for that. So, we'll see. I feel like this shirt is too ugly. They do a little arm casting. Let's try that. Alright, I'm back on the vlog camera and I have all the videos recorded. I definitely got better results with recording videos and then just screenshotting pictures from those videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the pictures. I'm going to do the rest of the screenshots I need to do and then edit them, and then I'll come back and I'll place them on the screen so that you guys can see how they came out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little project with me. This was literally just random as heck, and I was just like, you know what, let me see if I can make me some new headshots or whatever. So I'm gonna work on those edits. Nothing's crazy, just making sure the background's blurred and my makeup don't look crazy or I don't look cross-eyed or whatever the case may be. But I'll be back in just a minute to show y'all the final results.